Welcome my dear students. In this session we are going to see about the measurement of small distances. How can we measure small distances? Okay. So by using meter scale we can measure small distances, and also by using screw gauge and Vernier caliper also we can measure small distances. Okay. So first of all we can see about the screw gauge. So there are two different scales in the screw gauge. This scale is called as the pitch scale and this one is called as the head scale. So what are the two scales? Pitch scale as well as the head scale. This screw gauge is used to measure the dimensions of objects up to 50 millimeter. Okay, so up to 50 millimeter, the object's dimension can be measured using the screw gauge. For example, if you want to find the diameter of a sphere, this sphere can be placed in this between the two jars. Okay, and we have to tie it using this screw. And using this screw gauge, we can find the diameter of the sphere. The least count of the screw gauge is 0.01 millimeter. Okay, the least count of screw gauge is 0.01 millimeter. That is, least count means the shortest distance which can be measured by this instrument is 0.01 millimeter. Okay, so next we can see about the Vernier caliper. The Vernier caliper, it also has two scales. One is called as the Vernier scale and the other one is the main scale. So this is the main scale. Okay, like the scale which we are using, it will be, and here there is a scale, no, this is called as the Vernier scale. Okay, so this Vernier, for what we are using this Vernier? This Vernier can be used to measure the length of objects. The object can be placed in between these two jars. Okay, between the two jars we can place the object and we can take the readings to measure the length of the object and to measure the inner diameter of a pipe. Okay, and also here there will be two jars like this. So these two jars can be used to measure the inner diameter of a pipe and also to measure the depth of a hole. Also we can use this Vernier caliper. Okay, so here the least count of the Vernier caliper is about 0.01 centimeter. The shortest distance which can be measured by the Vernier caliper is 0.01 centimeter. Next we are going to see about measurement of large distances. So previously we have seen about how to measure small distances. So now how to measure large distances. Suppose if you want to measure the height of a tall building, or if you want to measure the height of a tree, how can you measure from the ground? Okay, so it's very difficult, no, to measure the height of a building. So there is one method to measure large distances. That method is called as triangulation method. So it's called as triangulation method. So using this method, now we are going to measure the height of a tree. Okay, so consider a tree. Okay, let A be the tree and its height is taken as h. Okay, now a person is standing on the ground. He wants to measure the height of the tree. Okay, so this person is at a distance x from the tree. Okay, this point is taken as C. So here AB is the height of the tree. The person is standing at a point C, which is at a height x from the tree. Okay, now here he wants to measure the height of the tree. So from here, using a range finder, okay, we can measure this angle theta. The angle theta can be measured. Okay, so we can write angle ACB is equal to theta. This angle ACB is equal to theta. Okay, take it as a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, now we are going to find out tan theta. Okay, so what is tan theta? Tan theta, for finding tan theta, the formula is opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, so for finding tan theta, which is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So what is the opposite side of this triangle? It is AB by adjacent side, it is BC. Okay, so tan theta is equal to, what is AB? AB is the height of the tree, which is H. H by, what is BC? BC is X. Okay, so from here we can write H is equal to X tan theta. Okay, so we want to measure the height of the tree, no? So H is equal to X tan theta. So we can easily find the angle theta and also the distance X. So by using those values we can find the height of the tree. So hope you have understood the topic very well. Meet you soon in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Anandi.